In this movie, we'll be talking about quadratic formula. The general equation of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the quadratic formula is written as x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We'll be using the quadratic formula to find the roots of quadratic equations. So let's solve. Here we have w squared plus 6w minus 16 is equal to 0. First, we need to find the parameters. What is a, what is b, and what is c. A is the coefficient of the independent variable that is squared. So the coefficient of the independent variable that is squared here is 1. So a is 1. B is the coefficient of the independent variable that is not squared. And here it is called here is plus 6. And c is the constant. And for this, it is minus 16. The quadratic formula for this equation is w equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So imputing our parameters, we have minus, bracket, b is plus 6. So I can put plus 6 plus or minus square root b squared, that be plus 6 squared minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times minus 16. And then like this over 2 times 1 is 2 bracket 1. Yes. Minus times plus is minus, so we'll be having minus 6 here plus minus square root plus 6 square is 36. That is 6, that is plus 6 times plus 6, that is 36. Plus times plus is plus, 6 times 6 is 36. Plus minus times minus is plus, that's how I put it, plus 4 times 1 is 4 times 16 is 64. All over 2 times 1 is 2. So we'll be having minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus 30, 36 plus 64 gives us 100 over 2. So we have w equals minus 6 plus or minus square root of 100 is 10 over 2. So we have minus 6 we take the up one plus 10 over 2, or minus 6 minus 10 over 2. Minus 6 plus 10 gives us plus 4 over 2, plus, or minus 6 minus 10 gives us minus 16 over 2. If you are wondering how did we get 4 and plus and minus 16, let's see. Minus times plus is minus 10 minus 6, that is 4. 10 and 6, which one is greater? 10. What sign is 10 carrying? Plus. That is a plus here. Minus times minus plus 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 and 6, which is greater? That is 10. And what sign is 10 carrying? Minus. I have minus. Yes, so that is why it is minus 16. So 4 over 2. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So we are having 2 here, or 2 here, 1, 2 here, 8. So we are having minus 8. So we could say W equals 2 or minus 8. So that means the roots of this equation are 2 or minus 8. Or we could still say the solution of this equation is 2 or minus 8.